Hello everyone. In this video I will show you that how can you save WhatsApp voice note to device. It's very simple. Just open the WhatsApp and go to that voice note you want to save to the device. So I will just tap and hold to select this voice note and then click on forward, and here click on the share icon. Now if I scroll down, then I will find the option of save to files. Just tap on it. Now I can choose the folder where I want to save this voice note, and I can also rename this voice note by tapping on this option, and I can name it anything and then click on save. Now if I open the files, and here if I scroll down, then I can find this voice note here. Now it is saved to my device. So this is how you can save any WhatsApp voice note to your device. Thank you everyone.